Good morning, children. You must have read the poem, The Puppy, and you must have understood it nicely. Here I am going to ask you a few questions. As I read out the questions, you write down the answers. Why does the puppy walk in a funny way? What does the puppy always look for? Answer these questions. What does the puppy do on the tulip bed? What will the gardener come to see? Whom will the gardener blame? Which game does the puppy really enjoy? What does the poet feel about the puppy? What kind of a dog will the puppy become when it grows up? Read the poem nicely, you will get the answer. Why does the poet not want the puppy to grow up? Why does the poet say that it doesn't want the puppy to grow up? That's all for today. Thank you.